Discover yourself, who you are, what you can do in your life. Let's ask from brain to think and talk to act accordingly.
Hello there. In this tutorial we are going to learn about regex in Python. Let's move towards the introduction of regex. A regex, or regular expression, is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. Regex can be used to check if a string contains the specified search pattern. Now the usage of regex. Python has a built-in package called re. To use regex in Python, you need to import the re module. Regex in Python has many built-in functionalities. Includes regex functions, MetaCharacters, special sequences, and sets. Let's move to the MetaCharacter. MetaCharacter are the characters with special meaning. MetaCharacter are those to transform literal characters into powerful expression. They are very few to learn. Sometimes, these characters have more than one meaning. We need to understand their context to know how they operate. Let's learn few of MetaCharacters. The first MetaCharacter we are going to learn is square brackets. So this is the code we used A to Z in square brackets. It will check in the text that how many small alphabetic characters are there between A to Z. This code is finding in the entire string how many alphabets are there between A to Z which are in lowercase and return those. Now let's move to special sequences. Here, /A matches only at beginning of a string. /B matches the empty string at the beginning or end of a word. /D matches a digit character. And /S matches white space including spaces, tabs, form feed characters. Let's move towards the sets. A set is a set of characters inside a pair of square brackets with a special meaning. Some of them are, first, ARN. It returns a match where one of the specified characters, A, R, or N, are present. Second, AN. It returns a match for any lowercase character alphabetically between A and N. Third, *ARN. It returns a match for any character except A, R, and N. Fourth, O123. Returns a match where any of the specified digits, 0, 1, 2, or 3, are present. Fifth, 0 to 9. It returns a match for any digit between 0 and 9. Let's see some common function used in regex. In Python, you can use the re module to work with regular expressions. This module provides several functions and methods that allow you to search for patterns in strings, find substrings, and split strings using regular expressions. Some of the most commonly used functions in the re module. Let's see the close example of find method. This code will return a list with a single element, I. The find function searches for all non-overlapping occurrences of the pattern I in the string text, which is the rain in Spain. The resulting list will contain all the matches found. So, in this case, it will be I. Now let's move on another function search method. With its code example, the re.search function searches for the first occurrence of the pattern \s, which is a white space character in the string text, which is the rain in Spain. If a match is found, the function returns a special match object that contains information about the search. The start method of the match object returns the start index of the matched pattern in the string. In this case, The white space character is located at index 3 of the string. So that's what the code will print. If the search fails, re.search returns none. So it's important to check for this case before calling the start method on the result. Let's wrap the things. Regex has been great for using in Python. While it helps to reduce the effort of making extra logic of code and directly filter the specific features using filtering data. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe. Brain Talks for more.